Hey everybody, it's Lethalogica X. Welcome back to another video. So last time I showed you guys this awesome disk detainer lock and the pick that I made for it, but I was not successful on getting into the lock. However, I have been successful off camera, and so now I'm going to try to finally get it on camera if it decides to cooperate. It's still a really tricky lock. So first things first, we're going to turn all of these disks as far clockwise as they'll go. And pick up the first disk there, and we'll get to picking. Okay, so I think that right there is like the first disk, the one that's being held by the tensioner. So I will advance one down. This one is definitely binding, but that one feels like it's a zero cut as well. Okay, this next disc is binding, and it strangely also feels like a zero cut. We're gonna leave it there. Okay, that disc was binding a little bit, and it clicked after a while. Let's get down into the next disc here. That one had a bit of a click. Okay, I think that's the next disc there. Okay, that one might be the zero cut that's in the middle of the key somewhere. No. Where's that next disc? Okay, that one doesn't seem to be binding at all, so I'm going to leave that at the zero cut. That one also seems to be at the zero. This one's binding a little bit, and I've lost it. Where did it go? Yeah, that one's binding a little bit, but it doesn't seem to have a spot that it wants to be. Okay, and that's the bottom of the lock. So must have skipped past a disk somewhere, or didn't set one of them properly. I was getting really good feedback off of the top couple of disks, but then everything else after that is a bit of a wash. Got no idea what's going on. That one was already in its gate. There was a lot of zero cuts up here, but that does kind of correspond with what the key looks like. Just make sure all these discs up here are in something that feels like a gate. I think that's the top again. So I'd already checked most of these discs around the top. They seem to all be very clearly in a gate. Actually, check that one again. I tell you, it really gets tiring holding this big lock for a while. I feel like I just get a little bit better feedback when I'm holding it in my hand. And the vise is just a really awkward angle. Trying to get something where it looks good on camera and I can still manipulate everything. It's still a really bad, awkward position in the vise. The hands just feel a bit more natural. I'm gonna try leaving that disc right there. Oh! Oh my god! Oh, that was it! Oh my goodness! Oh, I got it! Yes! Oh my god, I'm so happy. Okay, we managed to get all those discs into place, and this is a picked lock, my friends, with a homemade tool. Oh, that is exciting. Alright, so we managed to get this picked, and we have a thrilling conclusion to our saga here. Oh, how wonderful. Alright, so that is all I have for you on this lock. If you like the video, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and don't forget to have a good one.